welcome to Prudent News. Now look at the headlines. Supreme Court and Green Bench to hear Goa mining matter on 17th to 19th September. Second set of hearing on 24th to 26th September. Chief Information Commissioner to start work after Chawat. Governor clears appointment of Leena Mehendale. Notification after consent of the Law Department. Union Petroleum Minister retracts on closing petrol pumps after 8 p.m. People mock government's proposal.
This is the idea which is coming from public and others. We just said these are the ideas.
AIMS Dr. Bharadwaj disposes in British teenager scarlet killing death case. Doctors say autopsy report indicates death due to drowning. And squash faces Olympics vote on Sunday. India coach Cyrus Poncha hopes for positive verdict, praises Goa's rising stars Akansha and Yash. And now the news in detail. Supreme Court has confirmed the dates for hearing of Goa mining matter. The Apex Court will hear the matter from 17th to 19th September and 24th to 26th September. Meanwhile, Mines Department has registered a police complaint in Advoi Satari illegal mining case. They have recovered 40 tons of mined manganese. All stakeholders are hoping that the 6-day continuous hearing will result in some definite direction when it comes to resumption of mining operations in Goa. The larger Constitution Bench is hearing another matter from Tuesday. The bench expects the matter to be disposed before 17 September to start hearing on Goa mining. The hearing will be held from 17th to 19th September and from 24th to 26th September. Meanwhile, Mines Department, Goa State Pollution Control Board and Walpoi Police jointly conducted inspection at Advoi Satari, the site of alleged illegal mining. During inspection, officers found that nearly 40 tons of manganese was extracted at the site. Complaint has been filed by the Mines Department at Walpoi Police Station. Site identified as survey number 56/1 belongs to one Shankar Desai's family. With such kind of immediate crackdown on illegalities, government is trying to put a brave front in the Supreme Court when the mining matter comes for hearing. Mining dependents have kept their fingers crossed following announcement of the hearing dates. Bureau Report, Prudent. Looks like Chief Information Commissioner will begin her work after Chawat. Though Governor has given his assent for the name of Leena Mehendale as CIC, government is waiting for Law Department consent. Government had faced criticism during appointment of State Information Commissioner. Once Law Department clears the file, government will issue notification.
Government has learnt its lesson after burning its fingers in the State Information Commissioner's appointment. Governor of Goa has given his assent to the name of Leena Mehendale as Chief Information Commissioner of Goa. Now government has forwarded the CIC file to the Law Department. Government wants to ascertain all the legalities before appointing Chief Information Commissioner. Government will issue notification once Law Department confirms all legal angles. It will be followed by swearing in of Leena Mehendale as Chief Information Commissioner. By the time all these formalities get through, the CIC's office start functioning. It will be post-Chawat. State government has also decided to ascertain vivid legal aspects before appointing State Information Commissioner. Law Department is studying the matter at present. Later, government will re-advertise for the post of State Information Commissioner. Sources claim that it might take another 15 days. Senior reporter Laukik Shilkar for Prudent.
A proposal by the Petroleum Ministry created furore in the country. The proposal was to shut operations of petrol pumps from 8 at night till 8 in the morning. However, these statements were withdrawn later in the day by the union government. People mocked the government for his proposal.
With the falling rupee and rising oil import bills fueling the current account deficit, the Petroleum Ministry was planning to do away with 24-hour petrol pumps in cities. Union Minister of Petroleum said people will have to tighten their belt and some austerity measures are necessary. He said it is just a proposal and nothing was decided.
We have already made it very clear. It's not our idea. This is the idea which is coming from public and others. We just said these are the ideas.
However, BJP has criticized this move of the government.
ये मैं बिल्कुल इसका घोर विरोध करता हूं। ऐसा करने से देश को नुकसान होगा, कोई फायदा नहीं होगा।
These are the reactions from the owner of petrol pumps in Goa.
Restricting to timing, I don't think will serve. In fact, it will create a chaos in the market. Moreover, as a petrol pump also owner, I feel that restricted timing will have problems like there will be long queues.
तुम्ही म्हाका 8 वरांचेर बंद करून सांगले, पेट्रोल डिलर्सांक सांगले, आमचे कडेन 12 तास आनी 24 तास काम करपी आमी स्टाफ दवरिल्लो आसा, त्या स्टाफाक आमी कितें करतले? त्या स्टाफांक आमकां अनएम्प्लॉय करचे पडले, म्हणजे अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट वाडटली. बरें, म्हजो सेल कमी जावन हांव तांकां पगार दिवंक शकना, आमी डिलर पगार दिवंक शकना. सो तोय आमचेर परिणाम जातलो. तेन्ना सगळी जी आतां जी व्यवस्थीत जी व्यवस्था बशिल्ली आसा पळय, ती व्यवस्था सगळी गडबडटली.
People have bluntly opposed any such proposal.
आमच्यो गाडयो फक्त रातच्योच चलता न्हू, कित्याक आमचे डिपार्चर आफ्टर 7 o'clock. हांव समज तर बाबा खंयसर गाडी पिकअपाक गेली आनी तिका तर येवपाक समज 9 जाली किंवा 10 जाली, तर ते 10च्या फुडें मागीर कशें वयतले डिझेल घालून.
Silencing the uproar, Moily by Monday evening said no decision will be taken to keep petrol pumps dry in any corner of the country. Bureau Report, Prudent.
AIMS doctor has stated before the Children's Court at Panji that British teenager Scarlett Keeling died due to drowning. A panel of doctors at AIMS had conducted second autopsy of Scarlett on the request of the CBI. Scarlett was found dead in suspicious conditions on 18 February 2008 at Anjuna Beach.
Dr. D.N. Bharadwaj of AIIMS on Monday recorded his statement before the Children's Court at Panji in British teenager Scarlett Keeling death case. In his deposition, Dr. Bharadwaj said that a panel of doctors headed by him had conducted medical analysis of tissues of Scarlett Keeling. He also said that he had inspected the site at Anjuna where Scarlett was found dead. Dr. Bharadwaj said that the panel of doctors has come to the conclusion that Scarlett Keeling died due to drowning. Counsel of CBI has asked the permission to record statement of witness Michael Manion, a British national, via video conferencing. The court has permitted the CBI to do the necessary arrangement on next date of hearing, that is 30th September. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.